Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite green smoothie. So let's go. We have 1 cup of coconut water, half a cup of frozen spinach, and 1 celery stick kind of chopped up there, a banana. This is 2 packed cups of spinach, and I have a scoop of collagen powder and a teaspoon of spirulina, and then a tablespoon of almond butter. Gotta add the healthy fat in there. And I use about this size piece. It's about 1 3/4 inches or something of ginger because I really like the flavor. And then a tablespoon and a teaspoon of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then I always add some ice because I'm only using a little bit of frozen broccoli here, and I'd like it to be a little bit cooler. So about 4 ice cubes is what I add. I'm gonna push the button and let this bad boy mix up. Okay, the smoothie is done. See how green it is? And I'm gonna pour it into, it's a wine glass, but I feel fancy drinking my smoothie in this. I would say this reminds me more of a juice, like a green ginger juice than actually a smoothie. It's not as thick as a smoothie, but you're getting all the fiber. Sometimes when I drink it, I get a green mustache. Get your green on.